Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This is me, Jeel again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I do my eyebrows. As you can see that they've grown out to a length where now they need to be reshaped, and due to the lockdown one cannot go anywhere. So I have one quick and easy hack wherein you can do it for yourself, and you just do not need anything except for a thread, and you can just thread them yourself. Many people even shave them, but I do not find shaving a good option because it grows back really quickly, and threading lasts for a while. Plucking each hair out is really painful. So I've been using this hack for around 3-4 years now. It's been a long time since I have started doing my brows myself, so I have more practice to my hand. So in case if you are a beginner and you are new to this, I would recommend just staying in areas which are a little bit further away from your original shape to prevent a bad thing from happening, because sometimes you accidentally even chop off a lot of it. And trust me, I know this because this has happened to me many times when I started using this hack. So you really need to be careful and precise with which direction you go in with. This is the final result. They are all perfectly well shaped and in line. Like nothing is wrong. You can also do your upper lips using this hack. It works really great, just the same way you did the brows. You just do it similarly on your upper lips. I hope you guys found this video useful, and if you guys enjoyed this video then please do hit the like button and also the subscribe button, because I'm going to be doing many more such videos. And also if you found this useful then do share it with your friends. And also if you guys try out this hack then do let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And I'll see you in my next. Bye.